In this lesson, we're going to create our products page. We're going to use a feature called the category blog to place teaser text from each of our product pages all onto a single page, so that a site visitor can click on one menu link and get a quick overview of all our products. But they can also click further to read more about the products in depth. We're going to start by creating our content. So go to the content menu and select the article manager. Remember, here we can see the 2 articles we've already created, and we're going to go ahead and create another 4 for our products. So click on the new button to begin. I'm going to enter the title for my product and place it in the category products. And then I'm going to enter the text description of the product. Once I've entered the text and formatted how I like, I'm ready for the next stage. We're going to use a special feature of Joomla, the ability to split content into an introduction and a full article. This way we can have a single page with just the introductions and automatically have a link to the rest of the article. To do that, place your cursor where you want the break to be between the introduction and the main, and we should place this ideally at the end of a paragraph. So place your cursor at the end of a paragraph and click on this icon here, which is showing a line, and a line will be drawn in the editor. So all the text above this line will be shown as our introduction, and then when we click on the read more link, we will see the entire text, both the introduction and the rest. Now I'm going to add an image to this article. I want this image to appear nicely both in the introduction and in the full view. On the blog page that we're creating, where we see each of our products all at once, this page will be in 2 columns, so we have less space for the image. So instead of placing my image inside the article, I'm going to scroll down and use this extra feature down here called Images and Links. Here you can see we can have 2 different fields for an intro image and a full article image. This allows me to use a smaller image on the blog page and a larger image on the full article page. I've already prepared my images. In my case, I'm using images that are 350 pixels wide for the intro and 700 pixels wide for the full. So let's go ahead and select those images. Click on the select button, and now we need to upload the images from our computer to our website. If we scroll down on this page, we can see an upload button. So let's choose the intro image we want to use, open it, and click Start Upload. Once the upload's completed, you can see a thumbnail of the image here, and we can click on it to select. We know it's been selected because it's been entered here, and then we press Insert. We can see it's been filled in here, and if we hover over this eye, we get a thumbnail. Enter the alt text. Remember, this is very important for people with visual impairment or for search engines. And you could optionally place a caption on the image, but we're not going to do that in this lesson. We then need to repeat the process for the full article image. This time we're going to upload the bigger image. So scroll down, choose the file, open, upload. Make sure you select the correct one. Remember, I've named them large and small so I don't make a mistake. And insert. And place in our alt text. Now that we've done that, we can save this one and create our second product. So just click on Save and New. We now need to repeat this for our remaining products, and I'm going to do this for 4 individual products. So let's do the next one, which is mint tea. put in our description, move my cursor to the end of the paragraph where I want the break to appear, and click on the Read More link. And that's put the line in. Then scroll down and select our first intro image. So remember, go down and choose the file. So this is my small mint T. Open, upload, select, insert, and put in the alt tag. And repeat that for the large image, the full article image. Upload. Make sure you select the correct one, the new one, the large one. Insert and put in your alt text. And save and new until you've completed all your products, when you can click Save and Close. As you can see, I've now created 4 products: breakfast tea, lemon tea, milk tea and mint tea. And I'm now going to go and create the menu link to these products. So select Menus and Main Menu. Here we can see the 2 menu links that we created earlier. We're now going to create our third one. Select New and select the type of menu item. So we're linking to articles, and this is a special one called Category Blog, which, as the description says, displays article introductions in a single or multi-column layout. So let's select that. We're now asked to select which category, so we want to use products, and give the menu a title. That's the words that will be linkable on the menu itself. I'm going to choose Our Tea. When we've done, press Save, not Save and Close, just press Save. That's going to save that menu item, but we're keeping it open because we might need to adjust it. So let's go to our website by clicking on our site name in the top left hand corner and selecting our new menu link called Our Tea. Now we can see here that we have one article full width across the page, and then we have 2 in 2 columns, and our final one is just left on its own in 1 column. We're going to change this so that all the articles are in 2 columns. So return to our administrator menu and select the advanced options. If we scroll down, we can find the blog layout options. As you can see, these fields are currently blank and Joomla is using the global settings. So we're going to change those. Currently, we have one article going full width. That's called a leading article. We don't want that, so we're just going to set that to 0. And then it's asking us how many articles we want to show the introduction for. So we're going to say 4. If you have more than 4, then Joomla will automatically create pagination. Or you can just increase this number to keep all your products on the same page. It's then asking us how many columns we want, and we want 2 columns. And the final one, the number of links. This would be text links to additional products if you have more than 4. You would still get the pagination, but it's links. I don't really like that, so I'm going to set that to 0 for now. And again, press Save and return to the website and refresh the page. And we can see now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 articles in 2 columns. We can see the small image here, our introduction text, a special link called Read More that's been automatically generated, and when we click on that, we get the full article with the bigger image. So now we have one single menu link that shows our site visitors all our products on one single page. And if they want to know more about any single product, they can just click on Read More to see the entire article.